Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we are going to see 8th experiment in C++ lab, that is pointers and virtual function. Now let's check the fourth question, that is create a program in which it should have a class called shape with functions to find area of the shape and display the name of the shape and other essential components of the class. Then create derived class circle, rectangle, trapezoid, each having overhidden functions, area and display. Create a main method to create the relevant objects and display the area of every geometric shapes. Now let's check out the code. Yeah. This is the header file that I have used and standard namespace is used. Then I have created a class called shape. This is class shape, and now in class shape I have given public. That is virtual void show equal to 0. Now this is another class called circle. In circle I have also given public, yeah, and shape. In public I have given area, r and show. I have given area and r in float, so that it can also take the fractional part. Then void show. In void show now I have to uh, give the details about the class, that is class name, that is circle. In void show I have given circle, cout circle, it shows this one, and now enter the radius, and the radius is taken in r. Now it should calculate the area. For circle, the to calculate the area, the formula is 3.14, that is r square into pi. So 3.14 into r. This is the formula for calculating the area. Now the area should be shown to the shown as the output. So cout area. Now the class circle is completed. Now let's go to class rectangle. In class rectangle also I have taken public shape, and in this public I have given area and length and breadth as float, so that it can take fractional part. Now void show. This will show in this class of rectangle it should also ask the user to enter the length and breadth, so that by using the formula area equal to length into breadth we can calculate the area of the rectangle. Now after calculating the area using this formula, it should show the output. So cout area. Now this class is closed, and let's go to the next class called trapezoid. In trapezoid class also I have used public shape. In this public I have given area h1 h2 as float to take the partial to take the partial fraction. Then void show. In this void show, it should ask the user to enter the height of the side 1, then the height of the side 2, and at last using the formula h1 plus h2, that is height 1 plus height 2 divided by 2. This gives the area of the trapezoid. Now the area of the trapezoid should be shown as the output. So cout area. Now this class is completed. So all the given classes in the question are completed. That in the question they have asked to create different classes for rectangle, circle and trapezoid, and each should have overhidden functions like area and display. Yeah, that is done, and now we'll go to the main function. In main function I have given shape pointer s and ch for choice. Then I have given choice in integer, then character. Now I have used in a switch case. Before switch case we should use this one, do and while loop. Do this condition, and the while is given at the end of the code. Now do the output should be shown, like enter the shape to calculate the area, and first one is circle, second one is rectangle, and the third one is trapezoid. Now the user should enter the choice, and it is taken as ch. And now we are using the switch case. In switch case, by the user's choice it will go to the particular case. If the user select 1, then it will go to the case 1. In case 1 we have to calculate the area of the circle. So s equal to new circle and s arrow show. The circle's area will be showed using this one, s arrow show. And break is given for after every class of the switch, after every case of the switch. Now case 2. In case 2 we have to show the output as the area of the rectangle. So in this one we will use the same thing as s equal to new rectangle and s arrow show, then break, and case 3 the area of the trapezoid should be shown, so s equal to new trapezoid and s arrow show, break, then default. If not all these things, then there should be a default function. So this default will show the user that entered data is wrong. Now see how do you want to continue. If the user want to continue, he can continue by pressing the uh, letter Y, so that the choice will be taken, and again the program asks the user for the choice. Now let's check out the output for this. And now we'll check this output. Yeah, now the output is asking to enter the shape to calculate the area. Now let's check the shape, area of circle 1. It is asking to enter the radius. Let's enter 2. Yeah, it is showing area as 12.56. Now let's continue with rectangle. Yeah, you should enter the length. Let's give 2, and the breadth. Now the area is 4. By the formula it is calculating the area. Now let us continue for the trapezoid. Enter the height of the side 1. Let's give 5, and side 2. Now it takes the average of the two sides, that is 5 plus 5 divided by 2. Yeah, now it is showing, now the output is working successfully. Thank you.